Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today I have a flip of a finished journal. It's a little bit different than what I typically do. The size and the overall shape and everything is different. But I loved how she turned out. This is some of the paper we made in a video on making your own designer paper. So, I really like how that went. I'm all out of it now. I was kind of hoarding it for a while. So, let's take a look. Inside, we have it lined with fabric. And we have a little side pocket. Here's some book page. Beautiful book. I love that book. Here's some actual, authentic, antique paper. Looks like some kind of ledger or something. Here we have a pocket with a tag. Here's some old book page. Some music page. Some stamping. It looks like I did some coffee spraying on that. This is coffee dyed paper. Another old page from a book. Here's another page from that beautiful garden book. I love that book. It's my favorite in the whole world. I think it's called England is a Garden. I love it. Here is a pocket with a tag and one of my little wax seals with some lace. Here's a book from a children's fairy tale type book. Here's an antique page from a book. Here's some straw paper from Italy. And a very old book. Oh, feels wonderful. Can you hear that crinkle? Oh, and isn't that awesome? And we have here an envelope that you can put all kinds of smaller mementos in and keep those safe. Oh. It's really tight, so it's going to hold it really well. Here's the other side of that paper clip. And there's a little pocket with a piece of paper in there. Old book page. Okay, so how did I get it in there? Oh, there we go. Here's the middle of the first signature. There's two signatures in this book. So here's another paper clip, decorated, oops, I was out of frame, I'm sorry. Decorated paper clip there. And a little tuck spot, journaling card. Here is fabric covered pocket. And a little journaling card there. The other side of that old paper. Here is an embellished paper clip and some more of that, the other part of that straw paper. And the book page and the children's book. Here is a little thing I clipped to this, and we have a little pocket here, and you open it up, and there's a little card for writing, and there's a belly band and a side pocket in there, and here's a little embellished. I think I did this I had a video on that. And then the back has another pocket, so you know, you could stick all kinds of little things in there. So I'll put this back on. And here's a large over the top hidden paper clip. So this could be an up tuck. So we have this here, it's up tuck. Put something in there. Here's another tag with a paper clip holding that on. Some more of that wonderful book. Book pages, copy dyed, music. Here is a big journaling card. The other side is a tag. There's the rest of that ledger, that old ledger. That's so cool. I love this stuff. Yeah, for me to put something like this in a journal is like, wow, because I don't let this stuff go easily. I don't get it. I don't get my hands on things like this very often, so of course I hoard. And here is the beginning of the second signature. Some crinkly paper. I love that. Some more of this straw paper from Italy, which I also hoard. So, wow, this journal got 2 of those pages. That's unheard of. Okay, and here's another large journaling card. The other side of that paper clip, so it was a decorated paper clip. Ooh, wow, this one has some more old paper. Wow, 1922. See that? Oh my goodness. Isn't that awesome? I love it. I absolutely love it. Here's envelope. Some more coffee dyed paper. Another decorated journaling card. Some more of that beautiful paper from that garden book. Coffee dyed paper. Writing space. Here is the center of the second signature. We've got ooh, we've got an envelope with something in there. Oh, ooh, some of that straw paper. Ooh. Oh. Everything's just moving around on me here. Oh. I guess we have to put it in this way. Okay. Oops. And little tag for journaling. Here's another pocket. Beautiful paper. Coffee dyed. Some more from that book. Now, wouldn't it be neat if we could write like that? That is so pretty, isn't it? Yeah, it's amazing. Little tuck spot. Little snippet up here. I hope I'm in frame. The other part of that old ledger paper. Wow, I love this. It's amazing. Another envelope, keeping small things in. Book page. Straw paper. some more of that crinkly stuff. I love that. Here's a pretty little snippet. That is so cute. I like how that turned out. And here is, oops. So looks like that turns. So this opens and there's a pocket there. Oop, there's something in the pocket. Paris, 1889. Well, that's not old. I think that's Tim Holtz. It's not old. It's Tim Holtz. I'll put that back on there. And another tag with another wax seal. There we go. And here's the back. Again, it's all lined in fabric, and another side tuck with the tag. So there she is. Isn't she pretty? I really like how she turned out. And wow, evidently, because I put all kinds of cherished things in this journal, I'm actually surprised at how much I gave up and put in here. So anyway, oops, golly, I hope I was in frame during all that. Thanks for joining me, and please like and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of content, not just finished flip throughs, but there's a lot of how-tos and tutorials and making all the ephemera and the stuff that goes into a journal, making a journal, doing journal covers. I also do a little bit with watercolor here and there, or some other things. Once in a while I do an unboxing. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff. Most of it kind of whirls around making journals. But yeah, please like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when I have a video coming out. And you're not going to get inundated with bells ringing. I do 2 videos a week. They come out on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Once in a while, I might have an extra one, but that is a special project or something like that. But most of the time, it's 2 a week, so you don't get inundated with daily videos that become overwhelming, at least for me. It all becomes a little overwhelming when I get so many notifications, and it's like, well, you really don't have time in the day to watch all these videos. But anyway, so yeah, so please subscribe, send me a comment. I would love to hear from you, what you're working on, what you like to see in videos. So yeah, or just say hi. Hi, I'm Debbie, and I just subscribed. That would be my favorite, my favorite comments. So yeah, until next time, guys, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.